All right, what's up folks? I know a lot of people are eating out of their cabinets these days because the grocery stores are closed. So I want to make a little white bean salad that's super tasty and super nutritious. Grab yourself some white beans, get yourself a couple strips of bacon. I just use 4 slices here and cut them in half. For the dressing, you're gonna need mustard, honey, and some red wine vinegar. And you'll need some greens. I use this little spring mix. You could use arugula. We'll also need some grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, just like this, and salt and pepper, and we're good to go. Okay, boom. We're gonna start with a secret to really crispy bacon that nobody's gonna tell you about. Okay, all we're gonna do is lay our strips of bacon in here. Okay, I know this sounds crazy, but once you've got your bacon in there, just add like a 1/4 cup of water in there, just like that, and just cover the bacon. And we're just gonna throw this pan on high, and as that water evaporates, the bacon's gonna get cooked, and it's gonna crisp up once it all evaporates. So we're just gonna throw this onto the heat and let that water evaporate. Okay, while the bacon is cooking, I'm going to quickly open up, drain, and rinse my beans and get those ready to go, and then we'll make the dressing. Okay, check it out. Almost all my water's evaporated. My bacon is getting a little bit brown on the bottom. I'm just gonna flip this once, let it get brown on the other side, and it's good to go. Bacon is perfectly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So it's not crumbly, it's not burnt, it's just perfect. So I can kind of break it into chunks like this. We're gonna leave them just like that, so they're actually really meaningful addition to this salad. Instead of just getting a little piece of sawdust, you're gonna get a nice big hunk of bacon into your salad, which will be perfect. So just rip them into pieces like that, and let's move on. Okay, quick and easy, the dressing. Red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon of each, the mustard, and the honey. Okay, if you're looking for a more diet-friendly recipe, you can call the dressing there and it'll be super delicious. But what I'm gonna do is add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the bacon drippings to the dressing, and that is gonna really elevate this. Now we're taking this dressing to a special place where it's smoky, it's rich, it's really quite unbelievable with this salad. Give this a go, you will not be disappointed. Besides, you're just gonna end up pouring that bacon fat down the drain, aren't you anyways? I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna put this into a cup and shake it, shake it, shake it like I mean it until it's ready to go. This is where the magic happens. I'm gonna add my beans, my cherry tomatoes. I'm going to add my red onion. It's half a red onion right there. I'm going to add my greens. I'm going to add my dressing over top. I'll season this with salt and pepper, and in with the chunks of tender and crispy bacon. And we're just gonna give this all one big mix. Thanks so much for watching, guys. These videos are a ton of fun to make. Make sure to hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you get a ping whenever I make a new video. Head over to Instagram at Mara_strength for more high quality fitness and nutrition content.